I do retrieve CCTV footages to be used as relevant evidence. Footages and write CCTV analysis reports. And I also do tender CCTV evidence before courts of law, my lord.
What are your qualifications, Mr. Dong?
My lord, I hold a diploma in computer science from Kampala International University.
You have a diploma?
Diploma in computer science from Kampala International University.
Computer science.
Diploma in computer science from Kampala International University.
Which year?
In the year 2019, my lord.
Anything else?
My lord, I also hold a certificate in cybersecurity and digital evidence handling. From Chibuli Police Training School. Cybersecurity and digital evidence handling. From Chibuli Police Training School in the year 2022, my lord. My lord, I also hold a certificate in software development. From the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology.
Okay. Go at penny's speed. From?
Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. In the year 2018, my lord.
Agambye nti nno yeekebejja zi CCTV era n'ajjako ebyo byaba azudde ku CCTV ezo era n'agamba nti ku ebyo byabajjeko akolamu alipoota nga alipoota ezo abeera ng'aziwaayo mu kkooti n'agamba alina obuyigirizi obwa diploma mu computer science gye yafuna ku University ya Kampala International University mu mwaka gwa 2019 ng'alina n'obuyigirizi obulala obwa certificate mu cyber security bwe yafuna ekibuli ku training school mu mwaka gwa 2022 ng'alina ne certificate endala mu okudevelopinga software gye yafuna e Korea Advanced Institute mu mwaka gwa 2018.
So for how long have you worked as a CCTV analyst?
My lord, I've worked as a CCTV analyst since the year 2022.
What role did you play in this matter?
Mr. Mwaganya, before you go there,
Yes,
could he explain to the court how this CCTV works, how the system works, how it operates before we go to the specific case?
Okay.
My lord, CCTV is a closed circuit television system which has a set of cameras in different categories.
We're going to go slow. Repeat that, please.
CCTV is a closed circuit television. It has a system which has a set of different cameras in different categories. We have ANPR cameras.
Repeat that, please.
ANPR in full is automatic number plate recognition cameras.
Automatic?
Automatic number plate recognition cameras. We have the digital surveillance cameras.
No. Let's finish this. What are these?
The automatic number plate recognition cameras are specifically cameras that detect number plates of motor vehicles.
Repeat that, please.
Automatic
They
number
are
plate
cameras.
recognition camera.